Hello people, in this video I will show you how to clean your colon naturally at home. Let's get started. First off, I need to tell you what is the colon. Digestive health is integral to feeling happy, healthy, and well. One important organ in the digestive system is the colon, also called the large intestine. Colon health is a significant part of digestive health. Some people claim the colon should be cleansed for optimal digestive wellness. However, research proving the effectiveness of cleanses is scant and low in quality. Still, certain aspects of colon cleansing may be beneficial. It may help issues such as constipation or irregular bowel movements, and there is some evidence that they can also reduce colon cancer risk. Other colon cleanse claims, such as removal of toxins and parasites, are questionable. Here are some simple and natural ways on how to cleanse your colon. The following natural colon cleanses can be done cheaply, and they're also quite safe if done correctly. Reminder, you don't need to do colon cleanses every day or even every so often to be healthy, though they may have health benefits when done sporadically. Water flush. Drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated is a great way to regulate digestion. People who support a water flush for colon cleansing recommend drinking 6 to 8 glasses of lukewarm water per day. Also try eating plenty of foods high in water content. This includes fruits and vegetables like watermelons, tomatoes, lettuce, and celery. In fact, there are lots of foods that help cleanse the colon naturally through diet. Saltwater flush. This is especially recommended for people experiencing constipation and irregularity. A 2010 study showed saltwater could possibly clear the colon when paired with certain yoga poses. Before eating in the morning, mix 2 teaspoons salt with lukewarm water. Sea salt or Himalayan salt is recommended. Drink water quickly on an empty stomach, and in a few minutes, you'll probably feel an urge to go to the bathroom. Do this in the morning and in the evening, and make sure to stay home near the bathroom for a while after the cleanse. You may need to go to the bathroom multiple times. High fiber diet. Fiber is an essential macronutrient often overlooked in the diet. It's found in whole, healthy plant foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, and more. Plants contain cellulose and fibers that help bulk up excess matter in the colon. They also regulate constipation and overactive bowels, while boosting helpful bacteria as a prebiotic. Make sure to eat plenty of high-fiber foods, which help a healthy colon. They can also be great for gut bacteria, too. Juices and smoothies. Juices are popular colon cleansers. These include fruit and vegetable juice fasts and cleanses, like master cleanses. There isn't enough research on these for the colon, however. In fact, some research points out risks. Even so, moderate intake of juices and juicing can be good for you. Juice blends contain some fiber and nutrients that benefit digestion. They also hold water to help hydrate and keep up regularity. What's more, a study in 2015 trusted source found that vitamin C may help cleanse the colon. Vitamin C is found in lots of fruits and vegetables added to juice blends. More resistant starches. Resistant starches are similar to fiber. They're also found in plant foods like potatoes, rice, legumes, green bananas, and grains. These promote a healthy colon by boosting gut microflora. A 2013 review on resistant starches also found they reduce colon cancer risk. Resistant starches are found in carbohydrates. Still, low-carb dieters can choose options that cause fewer blood sugar spikes. These include rice and waxy potatoes. Probiotics. Adding probiotics to the diet is another way to cleanse the colon. This also boosts overall health in many other ways. You can get more probiotics by taking probiotic supplements. Also, eat lots of probiotic-rich foods, like yogurt, kimchi, pickles, and other fermented foods. Probiotics introduce good bacteria to the gut with the help of fiber and resistant starches. These curb inflammation and promote regularity, two elements of digestive health related to the colon. Apple cider vinegar is also considered probiotic and is included in colon cleanses. The enzymes and acids that apple cider vinegar contains supposedly suppress bad bacteria. Herbal teas. Trying some herbal teas may assist digestive health via the colon. Laxative herbs like psyllium, aloe vera, marshmallow root, and slippery elm may help with constipation. Make sure to talk to your doctor and follow directions closely before using these herbs. Also use them sparingly, otherwise, they can be harmful. Try a cup of one of these herbal teas up to 3 times a day. Only drink tea once per day for laxative herbal teas. Natural colon cleanses may help improve digestive health. Whether they truly cleanse the colon is up for debate. This wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button to see more videos coming from the Health as Wealth channel.